Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to see old Google Map Street View. So let's go to the search bar and look for Los Angeles just for this example here. Or let's go to the California, right? So I will just zoom this stuff here. So let's say this is a place where I want to look, and in the bottom right side corner you will see this person icon, right? So you have to click and hold, and let's say I want to see, let's say, this place, right? So I will just drag it up. Now automatically my view will change here. Now as you can see here that this is a place, and but here you will see the latest one is of 2019, right? While I'm making this video in 2024, right? So still, if I just go and click on see back dates, in this way I can see the old dates and what was the time this place used to look like. So let's just go to the 2011 here, and okay, so 2011 it's look very similar, right? But in the 2022 it's look way different, right? So you can see a whole lot of things change here. So I can just go and see the cars change and everything. And if I just go to the August 2007, the image quality, the cars, the location has been completely changed, right? So as you can see here, as you change your place, your latest date will be keep changing, because Google doesn't have a same constant date for each and every place, right? So this is it, how this is how you can look, this is how you can go back in the past. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.